All right, on this worksheet, we've already done some radicals, but here we're going to do some more. We're going to simplify these radicals. So you guys have got to remember that square root of a times b is just equal square root of a times square root of b, where square root of a divided by b is square root of a divided by square root of b. So our problem number 78 in here, 78 says the square root of 147 k to the fourth. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to rewrite this as square root of 147 times square root of k to the fourth. So I'm going to look right away and I'm going to see, okay, square root of 147 is 7 times 21. Okay, then I go, oh, that's 7 times 3, which is also square root of 49 times square root of 3. So the square root of 49 is 7, square root of 3, we can't do anything more with it. So we know this is going to be 7, and under the square root is square root of 3. Now we get to our variables. We have square root of k to the fourth. A couple different ways we can do this. You can remember that a square root is an exponent of 1/2. So this is the same thing as k to the fourth to the 1/2. Now you look at this, and whenever you have an exponent raised to an exponent, you just multiply those, and that becomes k squared. Or you can look at that and go, well, that just means square root of k squared times k squared. So we have two of those, so we just pull out one of those and k squared. One of the biggest mistakes people make on this is after they've done the square root, they leave the square root on the answer. So that's not true. Square root of k to the fourth equals k squared, not square root of k squared. So we just put our k squared out here, and we get 7k squared times the square root of 3.